Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is a list of top
iron steamer parts and accessories.
If you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Iron faster than ever with the Gorilla Grip ironing board cover. Our cover features a unique, groundbreaking silicone coating, which reflects heat, helping you to iron more efficiently so you can have wrinkle-free clothes in a fraction of the time. Our thick and durable covers are also simple to install. They stay in place with straps and strong elasticized edges. Our covers fit perfectly on most standard-size boards. We hope you love your new ironing board cover from Gorilla Grip.
At Whitmor, we understand your passion for simplifying your life in the way that's best for you. That's why, since 1946, our passion has been to do one thing and one thing only: to design and produce the many things that help you organize your life. From our humble beginnings in Brooklyn through our migration down south to Earle, Arkansas, where we manufactured our products for over 40 years, and now to our vast design and distribution center near Memphis, we've kept one thing top of mind: you. We understand you're your own person and you have your own system, and chances are no two yous are the same. So when designing and manufacturing the storage, organization, and laundry accessory products you use, we make every effort to ensure that they're functional and easy to assemble, but most importantly, that they are exactly the quality that you expect and deserve. All of our products are produced with best-in-class design and manufacturing standards, and everything we sell undergoes stringent testing at all phases of development. From packaging and shipping materials, they're functional and easy to assemble, but most importantly, that they are exactly the quality that you expect and deserve. And manufacturing standards at all phases of development, shipping materials. And if you need any help putting something together or you have any questions whatsoever, we've got you covered. Ready to assist you with It's What We Do. As a matter of fact, it's quite literally the only thing we do, so we do it right. We have a passion to serve. So when designing your next weekend storage project, or just how everything in
Stop using poor quality iron table covers that are easily scorched. The HOLDN storage iron board cover is made with thick padding material that generously wraps your ironing board, making it more durable and heavy duty, and extending its life, making wrinkly things less wrinkly. Measuring 15 inches by 54 inches, this ironing board cover will fit any standard size ironing board. Slide the cover down the nose first, then stretch all the way to the end. Coated with silicone, this ironing board cover significantly helps to reduce ironing time. The premium elastic edge of the ironing board cover is tailored firmly and secures the ironing cover for a tight fit. The HOLDN storage iron board cover with padding. Iron like you mean it.
Hey there, I just got this laundry basket in the mail. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and see what it looks like and showing you guys how it works. So inside you're gonna get 3 different liners. They're different. I have a 30 by 40, a 40 by 50, and a 50 by 60. I have this one right here. This looks like it'd be really good for delicates. Another one is slightly larger. And then this is the third one. So this is the largest. So this is cotton on the outside, and as you can see, it is collapsible. It's 15.7 inches by 11.8 inches by 24.4 inches. These come in a 3-pack, so it's a really great value for what you're getting. I really like the neutral colors. It's a modern design. This gray and white combination will look good in pretty much any kind of color scheme in your house. So the handles are stitched on the outside. It's really high quality stitching, pretty sturdy looking to me. The handles are long, so that makes it really easy to grab and to throw over your shoulder. The inside is made out of a waterproof material, so that makes her really easy to clean up and wipe down. And this is great to keep your laundry in. Inches by 24.4 inches. These come in a 3-pack, so it's a really great modern design. This gray and white combination will look neat. The handles are long, so that makes it really easy to grab and to throw over your shoulder. In the bathroom, I also have one in my living room for extra blankets.
Home GENIE ironing board covers make ironing faster and easier than ever before. Designed with an innovative silicone coating that reflects heat, giving you wrinkle-free clothes in a fraction of the time. Stain and scorch-resistant cover helps to prevent burn mark. For a more secure fit, cover features durable elasticized edges and 2 hook and loop fasteners. Perfectly ironed clothes every time. Life made simple with Home GENIE.